Hi, I have a question. Have you ever noticed when you're debating or talking about animal cruelty to a meat eater, they make it all about them and not the victims? They actually make themselves out to be the victims, not the suffering animals and the sentient life. Like comments such as, "Oh, I like my meat." Yeah, it's yours. You own others' bodies. Or, "Oh, I have some special condition," some special rare condition. Sure, maybe a few people do. I don't know of any that you need to eat meat, though. Or, "Oh, I'm an athlete." Many bodybuilders, Olympians, and athletes that are professional of all sports, NBA, UFC, NFL, are vegan. So save that excuse too. Or, "Oh, don't ruin everyone's fun." Oh, it's all about them, isn't it? Like I'll be promoting downtown in Times Square. Yeah, so when am I supposed to reach them? Or, "Oh, I can't afford it." You actually can eat cheaper and healthier. Some of the poorest countries actually eat healthier culture foods: Indian, Mexican, Italian, Asian. So you can actually eat healthier. Or, "Oh, I'm too busy," and such. So it's not all about you. You are not the victim. Simply leave animals alone and stop hiring hitmen and go vegan. Vegan is simply leaving animals alone. And remember, it's not all about you, despite what your mom told you. Thank you, and look up and share a factory farm video. Sharing is caring.